give them prayer hands. Say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
Hello guys, I am Raj Shivare and you are on the channel Learn Anything, where we always learn something new and interesting every day. Well, today I'm gonna start a new topic about pillow. Well, no guys, don't think that it is that soft and cozy pillow that we use to sleep. No, it's not that. It's a module of Python which gives you liberty to edit photographs and to manipulate the images in Python programs. Well, actually, you can create a photo editor while using this. A really very basic photo editor. I'm not talking about Photoshop. Obviously, guys, you're not gonna make the Photoshop with the help of pillow, since it is not that much powerful, and those kind of software are not just made by using one module. But the pillow is a module which gives you liberty to do many work, like converting the JPG image to other formats, or converting the other formats to the JPG image dot format. And it also gives you many options like cropping and changing colors and like this. So you can get a variety of things in the a variety of options in the pillow. And many users, many programmers actually use it in their application to control, to manipulate the image. For example, if you're using Facebook application and you want to upload, then upload your image, your profile image, then you used to get a cropping section, right? Well, you can make that kind of thing by using pillow module and some other modules like Pygame, and that's all. And you can make that kind of program, at least for your computer. Okay, so this is pillow. Now where this is the introduction part about what the pillow is actually, and why do we even need it. So let's start. Actually, the pillow is um, a really cool module of Python. And let me tell you guys, if you have installed PyAutoGUI, the module that I have shown you, I have uh, told you the codes about which in my previous playlist, then you already have installed pillow, because the pillow is actually the part of PyAutoGUI. And PyAutoGUI having some more modules like PySqueeze and PyTweening. These kind of modules are bundled with the PyAutoGUI. So if you have already downloaded and installed the PyAutoGUI, you will not install you will not need to install the pillow separately again. Okay, you can just use pillow as you have downloaded and installed it. Because but if you have not installed PyAutoGUI, then I will show you how you can install and download the pillow module and where to download it. Obviously guys, you will have to download it from the Python Private Index website. But that's not the concern of this video. But so let's get ahead. And now suppose that you have an image of this. So that you have this image. Let me open it. It is opening. And remember guys, that you should not hesitate to ask me any question. Okay, if you have any question, if you have even a single doubt regarding what I am telling you or what I am doing on the screen, what is the logic behind whatever I am doing on the screen, then just ask me question, just raise the question, so that I can know whether I am teaching, I am my style is good or it is getting worse. So you can see here that this is the image. Okay, the size of the image is really small, but we will not work with this kind of image. I will work with a bigger image. Okay, so it is just an example. Now suppose that you have this image and you want to convert it in other format like PNG or GIF, then you can do that thing by using pillow. And suppose that if you want to cut this thing, okay, cut this image to a specific size, then you can also do that by using the cropping option of the pillow. And there are a lot more things that you can do by using pillow that I don't even remember the whole list of the functions that you can do, of the uh, works that you can do with a pillow. Okay, this is really big list, really big list. Okay, so once you go through the pillow, you got practiced it, then it just comes handy to your, it just comes handy. And I mean, you can use it in many of your programs like Jarvis and games also. If you, if you want user to select sorry guys. Okay, now suppose that if you want a user to select a photograph from his or her own library to insert as an icon of your game, so you can use this pillow module to do that also. Okay, and this is just a very really small examples what you can do with this kind of module, with the and with the power provided with this module to you, you can make tremendously cool programs. Okay, you can give more abilities to your Jarvis. Now your Jarvis will be able to maybe do a lot of things like image manipulation, and actually I'm using the image manipulation word for everything we can do with the image, like cropping and what we can do, um, like changing the angle, and like increasing brightness and dullness. That's all kind of thing we can do using pillow. Okay, and you just have to code it in your Jarvis and your other programs, and it is really easy to attach the codes of pillow in your any Python file, because it is already a module of Python, so you will not have any problem in using it with your any other programs, obviously guys. So the point is that this module is really important, and we have to know about it, this module, in order to make much more good programs, and to increase the efficiency of our programs and the functionality of our program, right? Because if our program just talk to us and does not do anything else, that's kind of boring. So I'm introducing this pillow module in my channel, and let's start with this pillow module. In the next video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can install, and where you have to get this, where you can get this on the web. Well, I will show you the both the methods, by using PIP and by using PyCharm. Obviously guys, to use PIP we have to download it from the internet, from the web browser, so I will show you that also. But for PyCharm we just have to click some buttons, and that's all. That will be really easy to do in the PyCharm. Okay, so in the till the next video, I'm preparing okay, I'm preparing my kits, my things that I will do in the next video. Well, if you have any questions regarding the pillow, what is actually it, and why do we even need it, and what was the purpose behind creating this module, then you can ask me. This is just a sample of questions. You can ask me any question about programming, and any question about math, and that's all. It's your choice, whatever question you want to ask. Okay, and if it is possible for me, then I will definitely solve your queries. And if you have any problem, like many of people having problem with the PYDT SX module, like it is giving many errors, so you can also tell me that whether you have any problem in any of the modules, and if it is possible, if that problem have any solution, then I will definitely post that guys on the video, at the video, or I will come reply you guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you want to suggest me anything, then please guys, give your suggestions and questions in the comment box, and I will definitely reply you guys. And it is my humble request to all of you that please subscribe to my channel. I need your support, and it really motivates me when someone subscribe my channel, that yes, someone is there who is liking my videos. And please guys, please subscribe me guys, and it really motivates. And I will come with a new video on pillow next time. on this channel. Okay, you can find me on this channel at any time. Just comment me, I'll be there to you. Okay, I'm just okay, next video. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you have any questions and queries or suggestions, then just post them in the comment box. I will reply you guys definitely. I will reply you in within 24 hours, and you will definitely get a reply. So if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, just comment them in the comment box, and I will try to use them in my videos, and I will also answer those queries that you have. And just make me your friend, not just a creator of channel. Okay, I'm your friend also, so you can ask me any question. And till the next video, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.